Me did the young antechua, and maybe I'm discovered for Europe. I come a bush for Ghana. No, me used to tap send, tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Eye easy, eye convenient, eye fast, and sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover ye map him. Tap send. Intienne. Also download the tap send app. No, ever mobile phone so free. Na first ka come a bush for Ghana for na. Tap send. Papa no.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. The beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Check it. Sugar level for check it. Check it. Reselect glucometer. Everybody check now.
This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Emre tudo nani etena ka mu kwanten akotonyo mabegu ye shop mu se ubenya ni nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo o so to mfa sika swane ne mpatamu anase achimota la pass ekosi nsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane, anasa ade bia wo pebia. So ukoton kwa dia enye bebia wo se wutu wa eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto. All call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Diva, up to the top. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. They wanna freak like me, sweet like me, cute like me. Someone that can do it like me. Be a freak, make them weak. Hey ladies, listen to me good. Be a lady outside and a freaking bed. That's how they like it. That's how they need it. Them boys, them want it. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. All the boys wanna rock with me, all the niggas wanna roll with me. From the northwest onto the east, they said they wanna go who's a bad bee. They said they like this, big titties. They like a girl who can take it in inches. Yes indeed, freaking me, wine like a girl from the West Indies. Hey ladies, listen to me good. Be a lady outside and a freaking bed. Hey ladies, listen to me good. Oh yeah. Be a lady outside and a freaking bed. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. how they like it. That's how they need it. Them boys, them want it. Them want it. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Them wanna freak like me. Freaky dicky licky like me. Like me.
Alright, so still in the month of January 2022, we have business to do, and our business is to talk about show business in Ghana, right here with my people. Roland Amate already in your shot, in Team Dodu Solomon Chemo, aka Gary Ambassador. Today, Chemo is Gary Ambassador. Come in here. Oh my goodness. And I also have man like Derek Money everywhere. Charlie, we are here for the business of the day. And I've told you the business is always show business here on Sammy Flex TV. You can call this Showbiz Daily. That is the official name though. Now let me ask Derek Money, say Christmas or did he say my first time mediation in the year 2021, 2022. Derek, I was saying ebi hu so bi ehu so eto e ko sen ma
oh brother me media under normal circumstances senior yet na adwuma na within the Christmas era no e ko so ne e ko ba up and down wa no
make I be sure last beach
what I say
Ebra ko Chemo artist no very vodka Chemo artist no
it's brother me overall like I said it was eventful to me.
Okay.
It was eventful because up and down and also. But funny say me, I'm enjoying real Christmas and then. I said they only be breeze. Senior Juma Semno and also be breeze.
Okay.
You know. And normal circumstances.
But did the event bring money? Because I know say that has been one of the discussions I ever gave him. Say when people are doing the event, when it comes to promoters, no one said that Emma Muskasa. Did the event bring money?
Brass, I mean, and also it's $100 million question. When we say because year round, sir, baby, I scar 1 year be. Ebi nso answer that my sir. But send a juma na akwa say to watch a crab.
Yeah.
Into baby and
you have to sacrifice to get something. Yeah.
But baby and neska one dey nya kakra. But baby any nso dey sacrifice but in all make say year 2021 no within the festive season. Nkrofu bi so de meka me gusu tie ibrasa me. My juma man nkrofu bi. Na scale so mutua me no. Na send invoice. Abedjuma pa de invoice
abedjuma for
chese minimum afekra no mo chem say abedjuma minimum me dem fo sakpa 3 days adjuma makoye wi me ko no afekra de send invoice ma send invoice ko no me no ka say me ye adjuma no first December, 2nd December, 3rd December and then 2022 up to today payment man
nothing happened. Wow.
Mama shit
no bad shit
ama ma yɛhye
Obeshi. No Obeshi.
nti o ma yɛhye o
Obeshi.
ma yɛhye
I'll see a pencil the gusu. I'll see a pencil the gusu. Anyway, so his first appearance in 2022 here on Showbiz Daily, and on my report of how his Christmas went by. Now let me also say thanks to you, and I want to believe you were also cool. Your Christmas was very okay. And to our friends abroad, because we've seen the situation with the snow. It's not easy in some areas, but we pray that you guys will be fine. Derek Money is a journalist. He is a blogger as well from GH News.
E-News Ghana.
E-News, News for E-News Ghana. E-News Ghana. E-News Ghana. Yes, that is where Derek Money comes from. Intimdo de Solomon is also an IT specialist, a YouTube management expert, and he's also our pundit here on Showbiz Daily. Roland Amate is a blogger, promoter, event publicist, and more. Roland reports on Instagram. And to the producers, those who are running the show behind the scenes, the guitar rasta is Currency, Richie Flex, Yala PG, Tina Baby, as well as Gideon Neil Lamtesin. They are the rockets of the show. And to you, God bless you for always supporting us here on Showbiz Daily. Thanks for sharing our content and telling people that anytime we sit, you do it with us. Now let's move on to our first story. Now, our first story is a socio-religious story. Socio-religious story. Socio-religious because one, Ebra, yeah, ended 2021 no. Nim story back with Ebra, Ghana Police, led by IGP Dampare, Professor Sansuya Doctor Dampare de ne letter eto abontin say asofo yesremo monko sorry 31st night monko sum nyame monko bompa en fa Ghana en hye nyame nsa nemum there is only one thing aye person mo be hye nkom in fact Ghana Police for now they believe in prophecies but they don't believe in fake prophecies. Ahoa na dodoni na ka so okay be ya maybe koye man for prophecies so they be ka mo yem fine obetim ga say me and ekra me fro bia me nimpo me fro bia se den koma also nekra me nim ebi so say oh omo commission omo hye no efa oman bi efa omofia ho ena omo hye omofia nkom ya ne left right and center ni nyina twae one yet is as a Canadian Japan ne na jagezi ntokwa biasa aka ne ho apie bi and grandma who wan e koye hwan afi na say way to yampia Emma Prophet Nigel watch bi kra cartel watch kra oni no de kotre 1 million Ghana cedis cartel watch or the kotre and am for say and then e koyi ye ne na mu ehu ni say osofo na jagezi ni video bi oni abayo bi omo ye nema bi odamu apie ne si ebra na jagezi ni atupreko akumpreko kre Japan talk about na semba ko kan de say oh na jagezi de bi na ni jima ho na deben no so bua uni share against me sometimes na honorable kre Japan man let's say wo me expose you to be frank, me sabi the Olympic guys who Japan was at work. But the way I condemn so nim hoshi because I know ni movie bi aka bi adrike no. David nka we fasting se bi mo. And baba bi adrike there just oh innocent still or no information or so one ni the way it is. But they change them say oh, like guys ya live video on Facebook. Omo kasa oh ne in fact bi class is slave queen. That's the language there is. Nigeria is this slave queen be so this is the video on the screen. So the supposed slave queen on Niger so for Nigeria is that and Pamu who say where's the bed no ni bed Southern conference any pillow back 20 bino and I pillow angata I'm not sure a pillow actually 20 bino so I'm a friend of bed a chair rest or saying I'm rest or saying baby son of friend or they to ne ho and say omo din komo fine so they were all happy like omo na ye cool It's a month for started in 7 to 2 or so for say, hey, also for first thing in January 2022 year scandal on a pure man of God. The man of God is there. Going to mean transing yedi mama from Kasasa. Now, quite no friend of Bush for that be Abayan cried any sister. Ba. Yes, if I know fast so. Just in the office. On any dear grown, the office, social media freak. Anyone who is software or popular or video, mobile, we as new me, no, they are called to social media. ABC, a software bedjet. ABC, a software yen to. And then I'm best to be down for the 9K more. Come on, some bed and buy share live video now. They are not the church and Semono. You have sent me 70 call, yes, send your Mokan Semno. Then I'll come back to get the opinion of my people. Say at this stage, should we think, say, Ghana 5 jet to say, oh, I'm power software who's on clean. Onye bonibia enti anyintum anase Ghana for say on my son we omunyintum. Let's watch this. We'll be right back.
Prophet Nigel Gacy, I was made by grace. I was made by grace. My church was born out of grace. Nothing breaks me. So this is the lady in question. Sandra, tell me oyebalia.
Yeah.
Atokwa bokwa.
Yeah.
Odishua. All right, so that is Sandra for you. Thank you for coming online. That is Sandra, the TikTok lady, the lady they said that is my blood. Sandra is my blood. That Sandra also oyobalia.
Yeah.
Etokwa bokwa. Wojitea. O mentedeme.
Me offer.
O offer dem ya. Uni etrem ye me.
Lydia.
O senso etrem ye me.
Mark.
Ochueno.
Edukrum.
Ekuapem edukrum. So that is my blood. Listen to me. Haters get life. Get life. Haters get life. Listen, nothing will silence me in this country. Nothing will silence the church and the body of sister. That is Sandra's mother, who is my blood sister. Sister Lydia Menta no beke.
Ghana for Mubri.
Ghana for Mubri.
Mubri.
Okay.
Da problem.
Okay, so so this is okay.
Oh, yes,
okay.
Say yen kwani I am from Subia Mfanche and yen from so. My brother.
That is my sister. That is my blood sister. That is her Sandra. Her Sandra mama. So Sandra, her Sandra mama. Kasa.
Kasa na dos.
Okay.
My brother.
That is my blood sister. Now back on. Yeah, for girlfriend.
Anyone for yes, Remo. Abba.
But that's a brother.
I'm crying.
Ghana for who are Korea 35 years.
Okay, brother, bear me. Patch up, bear me.
But then Yamia.
Okay.
No matter how I'm Bibia, I'm back Biano. Yami Sumuya.
Brother, also then Abeka. This is my elder brother, our very eldest brother.
Yeah, I say from Lawrence of Faye.
Okay, you feel him? Any channel?
Crapim Edukrum.
Any chair crapia do cray.
Nitua Query. Now, my person make catcher or mine say. Yeah, Monsoon Casa.
Okay.
And him Grassena Dawson.
Okay.
I dear one power new ye. Now we do one dance at Shawunia.
Okay.
Minia Kumansone, Prophet Nigel Gacy. Now, Bessie Dan on no to me, Enya and Kitahudi.
Yeah.
And he, Jenny was not Dawson. It's too much. Madam was a Ghana for.
The Misha brother. Sandra Nagasawa, I say. Sandra, then they see it.
Video need a man posting.
Okay.
Posting on my phones because we know your videos.
No, relax and relax and cry. So say why is superstar with it 12 hours? Why is superstar? Help me too. Then it's here.
I'm going to my phone.
Okay. That's okay. The member be then that's okay. Your phone. Okay. Ebane send now me try a picture now.
Now who did it me bound chair office.
Okay.
And I'm seeing a video when film now na me dey play on the ball. And I'm no hear video by force.
Okay.
But man post on my phone best 1 year ni. Into me nim dey outside. I ain't for cast away me now, but we me offer. Now you gaze and a spank.
Hey, some more. Enti then I be catch my sorry, but then I be catch pain for then I be.
Cause ndi me ofechi because asem no kan na entro enye no kre oya me ofa de bia me ba ne nchen and more nkofo encha mo ntro na mu betietie omo oya Nigel Gaze na me ofa enti me pa mo cho
be prophet Nigel Gaze enti
pa mo cho de mo kan enye no kre and I miss mu say me dodo de bia mu say me ofa pa mo cho mu njai
okay
sremo oya me ofa and I me slay queen sa time na me post sa but see ade massacre nti me pa mo cho
one for you to so cry again okay
me sremo mu njai se na mu bu eni mas me sremo
okay enti me pesa o san make say ne kanim bria sana asoko be work asia no ke obede kembo ni mbri ata kembo eni ebe sane alaba video wo outside
okay me be work mo ojite ni me ye me mo be bo video bo be lefe mo o mas
okay
ni me two pillar down ni me be bo video abo working
okay
mo be dey to kwa some be ke o de me mpina
okay
ni me offer
okay okay that's fine so those who understand our language say it in English. How did that go out? And say it in English.
Okay, I came to visit my uncle. He was eating.
Okay.
I wanted to take a video with him, but he didn't allow. He was laughing, so I threw the pillow at him. Then I did a video first, and I didn't posted it. So I don't know how the video came out. So
I didn't post it with the blog a file. Blog a wagba. I didn't post it.
I didn't post it. So please, I'm begging you. He's my uncle. No bad intention or something, please. He's my uncle.
So what are you telling the church, my fans, my sons and daughters everywhere?
Okay.
So who is this?
This is my mom.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Your biological mom?
Yeah. Efua Lydia.
Equia Lydia?
Yes.
Equia Lydia. Okay.
That's my mom.
Hi! It was this year, you know, I yes, Ghana for binum say, oh, no crepe pepe. We assemble, it is true. Ne offers no the diagram. In fact, ye na the offers mun diagram. Me say obana me name offers for a diagram. Fe them enten diagram bed so. And open the meaning say office bed so. Aha, it's
office bed.
Etaisi. Oh, office was space. I was some flex team na money space. Ebianka space one can miss can be the bed bi a share. Na the bed no wa. That's why Mako I baby abana pese me da kakra. That me share this. Chemo ba ta kakra. Well, man starting with Derek Money. Let me start Derek Money say. Derek, are you part of those who are convinced or those who are not convinced? Where do you stand?
Brasami.
Yeah,
man, I for happy New Year. Senior Motimi Asui from
the beginning till now.
No.
Great.
Content in so yes, everyone with a solid content
all the time.
Now, Gaze ya say me, Brasami. She we nyame nipa. Ana amanfo nso hwe wo so esua de. Na we nipa saa no automatically no watimi abrande no ho aba be public figure. Na unyanya that status no so a public figure. Whatever you do no e wonsunsuanso e mani pedi wachi. And na betimi bi nsunsuanso abre ni pedi wachi. Nti uye bibia hwe kwan abefa so aye no. First instance video na ebi kan ba bontin oni oba no. Enu kwan po sex video ni pupi. Enu kwan so ye da video no. Then say of also no ni video no. Nipa way with your status so bit me for so no ye video. Na what you say? Na at the end of the day, me be video ni so TikTok.
No offer there obetimi na bibia.
Brasa me obetimi no offer aye bibia opeso ye bia no. But one thing is said, and so who the power of social media. Intino o status take it out no. So wo ye bibi na camera enya si usu a onipa ni nya use phone e di si usu a think twice. The moment a camera be si usu no think twice.
Okay.
Because it could be so nipa no ebe say Emma our WhatsApp groups and now say or they call TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Platform bia ebema amanfo ehu say niemu ye nie. Eba ne sana you are not secured.
That's true. And knowing your social
status, so who say no, you are not secure until the moment or starting the camera and the you have to let her understand, say, I'm a prophet of God.
Yeah.
I did say now we in M1.
Don't play these kind of games.
She baby a moye video no. Office I that bed is so. I understand.
Are you guys surprised there is a bed in the office or what?
That's I'm not surprised. I've worked with the manner. No Rejoice TV. My boss. Bed one office. Ujari one office.
Yeah.
One officer. He's living in his office.
Exactly. He's living like he lives in.
Yes.
His
and no ho.
No run at
What's it?
But now
that's I mean looking at how video no. Even get a crap dressing there's a question mark. Anna gazing so dressing there's a question mark. Yenna enyi eboso ne oba nso a hwatade top so ba no enye video emeto abonten eme convince yen ka we nkyere se eyeme wo faase. There is no way I'll be catch you be say offer so the pan understand you perfectly or instantly unless you have thorough investigation from head to toe answer they make me understand they say ampa and offer say if not go offer say same baby or they identify and why you are a man of God. You have to know where you are going, where you are coming from. And what's the opposition who ye say Ghana for understand with whatever you are doing now. Who the near my better know how to position things. And yes, our Ghanaians now the best about
so you are not convinced.
There be some video on your acting.
Oh how?
What?
Akorane mami or
say that's
amabusia for nyabi o
say movie characters in kwanu wo movie characters that's some yetimi obi da ware awo na say ohwene oni abusuafu aho yetimi current
eja
ene amanfo mo nyina akotena se
ba me kra mai bida yeah man.
And no mo ye kire no video na ehwe na acting because ohwe uti girl ne kasa no uti ne attentively uti say on shede ni New York as ya ka kire ne say can say obi ane ma me kra di ngura bu no because ne ma mi onim as ya said that planning say cause ya manuscript say movie nti kasi ana o ka kire say Ghana for here because I say the year no my mistake. The guy wants Ghanaians to understand say video no money post to here. Who took the video? It was a selfie.
Yeah.
So who took the video? Why they go upload it on TikTok? And you want us Ghanaians to understand say who money or post video no how? And another guys in the post video no. If it is not the girl there. And to get no crap no so timi ba out video no ye na kese gezi manager okwanya video no o pese ka bibia ye ne yete ye ho ase a kese manager okwanya video no fa so ba abonten and no crap be convincing enough say video was timi kan che say video why selfie with your own personal phone na video na ba abonten you want Ghanaians to understand so you don't know who posted the video
TikTok logo on it
or the code numbers. We are posting the quadri numbers. Numbers no so they start na fair na numbers ni forever. Or say last year.
But as I speak to you, the last time we checked, get on the content I posted on TikTok now. I delete everything. There was a photo to that. Na minya nka.
Ehu na abono. Ehu usuru.
And based on advice.
Advice come. But onu aka so no usuru.
Because I'm for funny old videos. All twerk no my funny na dey ba.
Slave queen no mo ka so ye no aboni hu. So person change no. Slave queen no so ye no. And to be honest with you, So onye slave queen kra na was started practicing slave. Practicing was started practicing so say onya you better na say so onye but was started practicing.
Okay. My first speaker on this topic thinks that no, he is not convinced. I said this is not enough to convince him to say, oh, David, there was nothing involved. We on any issue. I said that we did. Baby, and yeah, but for now more acting now, me off fascinating now. Derek Money thinks they were all staged. Well, what do you also think about this? You have seen the video. You know what is happening. Let us have your opinion whether you also think really and truly something like that is going on or not. Roland Amate is next to speak on this. Ro, what is your position as well?
Big man.
Also.
I think sir, from the genesis of this whole issue, ABC, the behavior and the kind of response Prophet Nigel Gacy or the Abano, whoever do not understand. To me, I feel it is either you produce evidence or you shut up, or you have a personal problem with the man.
Evidence there a key. Evidence is key.
If you have a personal problem with the man, then let it be known. Say, this is the problem I have with the man. You know, there are some people that because they probably have a personal problem with you, opa. Kase atari eshi me white. O ye die of a different color. That's how they are. If you make us know, say okay, you have a personal problem with the man, fine, then you know, say okay, what they will stand. Else, if you doubt whatever evidence the man has brought, then it is either you produce yours or you shut up. Because from time a video we call viral. Now Derek Kibisa say. The girl not said no need post here. So how did the video go viral? There are so many ways, especially in our current dispensation. Obi betimi pick your video, who will post it
from your phone.
From your phone, and very easy.
But they have not said any of that.
Yes, maybe
they've gotten the opportunity to speak. They have never said anything like that. No,
I am responding to Derek's comment.
No, you can ignore Derek's comment and pay attention to the
reality. There is an allegation here. You can take a picture of me with your phone.
Yeah.
Let me airdrop. When you give your phone to me to airdrop, mind you, you are not at that moment. Maybe I know where you were near. Whatever I send from your phone to my phone, you are not aware.
Yeah.
But who say ordinary phone Roland.
Wait.
Automatically.
In a span of 1 year. 1 year.
2019.
1 year, 7 year canoe. Would you be able to remember the number of people you gave your phones to?
But who posted this one?
On TikTok.
With the name
Akosia Vendetta, no.
When you make a video on TikTok with your account, automatically your account name is registered on the video.
So
whether it is saved on when you make a video on TikTok with your account, automatically your name is registered on the video.
Sure.
It can be saved on draft.
Okay.
And at once it will go into your phone's gallery, but will not be posted, but can be saved on draft in your account. Sometimes people make videos on TikTok with voiceovers. My video first one with the asset. So I'll decide to save and do a different one, then probably post that one. But whatever I did first one will still be on my phone unless I decide to delete it, which is a personal decision. So if I don't and somebody gets hold of my phone, there's that possibility the person can transfer whatever document that is on the phone from mine to his and can repost it. And the first one. Second one that has to do with the explanation of whether girl no ne busuani or not.
Ala fama
whether the girl is Nigel Gacy busuani or not. To me, he has brought a very clear evidence. Say girl ni busuani. In fact, actually girl ne mami. Actually girl ne wofa aside or no Nigel Gacy ne wofa no. Watch omu nyina Watch that. And on him say, yes, he was making reference to so be Kowaria, Obetimia ko fa, Obetimia ko renti, Ebusia for the Aba. Yenim sa, Sanya Mane. But in a case where the person is very, 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 very popular in our current dispensation, that's why it will shock you, say. You will post somebody's picture and somebody from nowhere will come and point and say, and can give you a total profile of the person. So are we saying, say, the girl came out of space and say if indeed, say girl in your forget Nigeria, and what posting so in a busuenia, do you think, sir, from the time I get on here, only amount for Munimno, and up to now, we wouldn't have evidence, say, or be me about a point to say, get away there, I had so and so evidence on your Nigeria against the busuenia. Solid. Has anybody come out to give this kind of evidence?
Not as we speak.
No! So until somebody brings that kind of evidence, you have no right to come. Yes, you have doubt. No, you can doubt. I mean, but when you come and say he is lying, it is either you are bringing an evidence to show say he's lying, or you just keep quiet. What you say? Into the for and some position or that one person.
Did you say position?
Wait, yes, I want to explain some position on that one person. Yes, I want to explain to you.
Position.
I want to explain to you. You see the position the man was in. Yes, mind you, when you were talking, you said he's a man of God.
Exactly.
Yes, not a God of man. Before he became the prophet, the pastor, or whatever
he was.
The status he acquired in the society, he is a man.
Oh, he is.
Whatever men do ordinarily, he does say. Say Danny and Saturday, or also down Saturday. Me wo fear. So are you trying to tell me say, oh no, what maybe no. Whether a office, whether a fear or the bed so. Me who will be a what or one office bed so I know the fear bed so I wash a suit and a corner that. Yes, and I say me me busu for fear. Whether I am minianum, whether I am off and say no man. Me, no matter your status in life. You can never say, "Unno what for cinema wo fear unnya or setting some da." The person should come and prove it. And I true. It is a me what for say me or them.
Tell me about me fear me nye send me.
Of course.
Me boss should be on the compound na dey.
But ultimate farm bab on thing.
Exactly.
So when Ebia what me ba
man offer me try.
Me ba.
Oh my God.
The video we saw, if people are alleging that he had slept with a girl, one, we did not see a video of them having sex.
Not at all.
Two, we did not see a video of them in a very explicit position. Explicit position say obako da obako so, and obako fi obako ano.
Na bako mia bako mpoku.
Exactly. Yet okay, Shatabando video been on it viral.
Yeah.
If it was that positioner, and clearly this wouldn't be my comments on this issue. But in this video, Obi Dafa and Ocean on position maybe you can clearly see say the man was comfortable, but the lady wasn't comfortable on the bed.
That you are right.
When you check the video very well, it is on another. What evidence do you have say on another? How?
Naga oh yeah.
No, what we are speaking to what we are seeing.
Yeah.
That is what we are commenting on.
Yeah. Your analysis.
So the man, I am not saying the man doesn't have flaws. He probably has his own vendetta with the likes of Honorable Kenny Japo and everybody in Ghana. But then on this matter, if you want to deal with him with his past, your friends and mistakes, let it be known. But on this matter, if you want to be very objective and true to it, how would you crucify this man on this?
Okay, thank you, Roland Amate. Na why dear papa because position now no person board na nye position kitwa. Bem say we team ya ma. So far man of the match ya ben. Wow. Pastor Najugezi needs this video. I'm sure say onya akasa nya no me fa video we pe. Na I'm quite a boy now there.
I want to know.
Jero, also you are not convinced. Roland is 100% convinced. I see the amuyeri pure hatred and allegations. Or no, the analysis. In fact, Roland analysis ni very well done. But minim the also be kando.
Analysis loopholes, but
okay.
Before say
loopholes no.
One with say akrano obia onimu ema meka say we minimum na jigeze bo na say on one. Sa enipa no should also get motivation to do that. And I can assure you say a lot of people will be so afraid to talk against a prophet. Meaning na be factor. Sa enkura na omotese girl na omeba out be baby through to come. In fact na jigeze private case. Wa case obi private. And you know obi be who mama say omeba out say oba be challenge na jigeze. No. Omo be through. And I baby so private me a girl na before. Or then they will not want to put the girl in any trouble. Because all video now. Obviously, girl na ni post video. You wear that. Nidin was on the post. And you know, sir, he said, oh.
They know patch. They say video no. I will what the da on post and after na she saw the need to just release it.
Yes, because they say no prophet or no gay yet me use no. Prophet about umofia. And you know, by popularity, by also catching.
Okay.
That would be the reason for the girl to post it at this time. Because now you are all trendy. Now, umofia prophet, no or trendy.
That's true.
And you know, a girl now can post it, and I don't believe because hey or trendy or want to fatum na overco.
Yeah.
And girl, watch a slave queen and commanding the say.
Where now is the commanding?
Oh, slave queen for now come.
Hey,
which we are.
Yes.
And I bet the next also are no more than. Baby, I be a man for engineering master. Say, not be shall get with you. Oh, then
yeah, said you're not Sophie.
Say a wolf, ya or bed down.
I'll say net.
So I'm over down on Mrs. Adu.
Yeah.
And you know, I'll be very surprised at work office. Now the head net. Oh, I could say, the head net nation to move.
We need you on the we need
what? Say or bet me about a cassette and no offer to say they were coming. But yes, you will who the airport said there be a mechanic don't just listen to them, watch the actions.
Okay.
And no can be change the or come. So anybody who jana or be trying to add the channel.
Yeah.
But the name I they want to meet
yeah.
Because they do so unconscious, you know, or ye answer what they will be defend this argument. And you know, sir, or more perform by say, and bush and forward the offers. In fact, say no offer to cry the any IGP one channel. Because incest.
Why were they having sex?
No.
So what do you mean by why incest?
Video now about out and I analyzing. And two things and involved. It's either you chop finished or you're about to chop.
And where is it in the video?
That video we obey a condition
analysis.
No, by what? By
no, you are not getting
it. It's either you chop finished or you are about to chop.
Video of two adults on a bed. Either they finished
or you are about to.
They are not.
Based on normal dressing.
How they are being looking, yeah.
So I best say hair net, no. I dress say not bear man is so taking the natade. The top on anyone. And I make a tell. Anytime I will be a video in such situation, two things. Fashion, money, mammy, catch a quickie. It's our
allow. Tell battle up here. Next topic.
I'm very quickie. I never own your bed.
Oh, yeah, the bed, quickie.
Yes, and you know, so wow, okay, you, my make a massive. Sir, or didn't bear more cinema, me, one another. Or more video motion. time I girl no introducing him mama and I can be said me mama me uncle na ontimi hwe o mani obi ankohwe sa video no sa action na o mo ye no eno so mo amuni mu hwe ni obi ye sa pa na to so wo twantro so wo twantro is so hard to look at the person's face
to keep an eye contact.
Yes, to keep an eye contact. And you know, Osha video now. Okay, this is my mother. No,
her baby. This is my uncle. No, her baby.
The man meet a dear grandson.
No,
and can a fear and not your gaze a queer.
The whole thing is a throne and a crown na mistake. Na the gaze me can me advice and say can the neck so I say or my girl no back out. And now pa man in suit no on patch or no anya why na on can be man say in fact of a frank or man in trying to go be brain scanner or post it said the bell the good na the gaze anyone. And for mom fast and mom fast line now.
So how can you do that to my uncle?
No, me patch say how would you do that to your uncle?
When there is money
involved. No, me patch say no. There be the uncle no they just am throw it.
Yes.
Na say me why you cry the was
because the why was and go fast angle na ka be bo na nka ono na the gaze ni so obem and then go tell baby na o draw almost say mon ka we ono aba mu bi no ama na ye so obvious
so a character
because I understand ono betimi
o a character movie
than them
no ono to so na wo hu so e look both beben because o coach almost say oh yeah video omo me bia de omo be kan be expose yes so we know video with I can't be convinced by this.
All right, so according to my panel members, 2 against 1. 1 is for Nigel Gazy and 2 they are against Nigel Gazy. Also, Obasu explaining net no 1 minute. Go straight to
that's Hennet office and Hennet go on my
I have seen people who have a whole kitchen in their office. Into semi office here by my office. Now ebia after counseling all night. My brother me say, oh, prepare something for me in the kitchen. We know say currently women don't usually go to the kitchen with their hair. Whether almost shall we bisa or baby or
what discuss?
Bisa or your point.
Bisa or baby or shall we in recent times say or shall or kitchen or the ebiani artificial week one I say even under
they take it off so easily.
Yes. Obi obetu the artificial wig no mostly almost a hairnet was here. It is very easy for you to spot a lady with a hairnet, especially social wig. And this is an environment. This is an environment where you are not expecting any audience.
Office.
Yes, but it is in a bedroom.
Look at the dress. Look at the dress. Atari so bayi.
Atari. It's super social atari bang.
Atari we said it down.
It's super social atari bang.
Atari we said it down.
Anybody will fear.
Oh, so office.
Yes, no, but the bedroom has
David. There is something you have to know. So, sir, office bed now or canon. And yet, office bed that obi to timba bed that oftentimes a one. It ever say me office wa ha na say me person me da me kwa na metimi ada ho omo me household for bi na betimi abeda bi obi twen obi betimi akuya betimi da na bebre me ano on the sit said no ebi no ever say pia or nanti de na akita fry basket mu a na wa share hairnet ne top requirement say obi a op and girl a onim form this setting
in the video the dress the girl was wearing is not someone can say I doubt because the way you're 90 when you're
90 difference about
look at the when you're 90
share
videos on TikTok so what should get another videos on TikTok now catch and say we're 90 anyway I the club
okay yeah fancy her
into I 90 club
Let's end it here. I believe those who are watching us, they also have their own opinions on how they want to understand and analyze this video. But Roland Amate has done a good job. I think I'll put it all together for him. Yeah, he's done a good job. No. He's just been analytical to the video, and according to his own set of goggles, that is what he sees. But you also have your own set of goggles, and that's what you see.
Oh yeah, sure.
That's what I'm saying. He has been convincing enough. I think
video did
most more convincing. With the Roland the Jana waiting your bomb.
The face is number 5.
But Jamal tap said if you are a church member of Nigel Gaze's Prophetic Hero Church and you want to show appreciation to Roland for the beautiful job done this evening, but the best PR ever for this case, none can do it better than he's done it. Trust me. So you can also try tap send, especially if you live in UK, Italy, Germany, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Spain, Canada, or USA. Get an app on your phone, tap send, and start sending money home. Let people enjoy the little that God has blessed you with. You can send money to Ghana, Cameroon, Guinea, Ivory Coast, Madagascar, Mali, Senegal, Zambia, Bangladesh, DR Congo, Kenya, Vietnam, Ethiopia, Morocco, Pakistan, Nigeria, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and the Republic of Congo as well. Why don't you try it today? Remember to always use the promo code SammyFlex, and with this you're going to get some £5 if you're in London, €5 if you're in Europe, and again $10 if you're in the US of A. Do that today and benefit from it. Something happened in this same studio not long ago when I interviewed a new artist, not very new, but up and coming artist, Rap Father, here in the studios of SammyFlex TV on the Real Talk segment. And I asked Rap Father, are there a new artist more struggles and also brass? I mean, yeah, struggle because Oma, as I say, Omu free system, me space ni use no. Oma afla the system. None of that is here for. No, so nipa biti say hajia been to mo. Nipa biti say santoa mo. In fact, these are popular TikTokers on social media. And they yomu influence. In fact, some people call them brand influencers here and there. And one challenge also was Uncle for it say, you guys are Ghanaians. Sometimes the best you can do is to make sure so Roland the artist of Free Ghana. While releasing them, Mammy was meeting me at the IBB, said and go for number phone. Not what me number phone. Or say again, if you are only my damn poor more yet, like what exactly are they doing online? No be now numbers baby no ono a talented rapper better rap here you know na onishi import they say that here. Then today I'm asking sir, how are we going to solve this? Are they under any mandatory to say also omuye promotion ma up and coming artists and now okay Ghanaian artists, let me not use any up and coming artists, Ghanaian artists, are they mandated to do that for any of these people are now? And I maybe say, sir, question no. You better answer me say. Let's watch this interview. SammyFlex TV Real Talk with Rap Father. Now for Mimi for say, what is their position on this? They are Ghanaians. And they under any obligation to do this. And I say, just as they do. It is money. Oko bisa no bisa za hina obejimi. Na ozwati metia. But so kona akasi odabi oya Ghana ni haja been to cry then now yeah now wanya number Jimmy video na mamia. Is that how it works? Let's watch this video. We'll be right back.
Let me share Instagram sensations be Instagram models be now share following more talent munya start following media and how and then now patch saying
also no na ma we artist wa adwene betumi ayede atouch no eno na ya na me ankasa me nipa flatalo kan what I say omo ntia because imagine say me artist upon all this hard work I mean I mean people are not paying attention to Adiana Mayer no bit to say Hajia been to name me and the numbers so call 1 million me one year or shot Adia but also the 2 and 1 no what do you representing Ghana I quite better what to me baby I'm from well man and one so I shot Adia for TikTok and one into a followers
try numbers cry no as I still be but until I say
Instagram models be say in fact actually have been to as a case study here. Also said the need there or nim there all year but no but okay said then no yeah. You want to say or market amount for products. If you have no yeah endorsement, that is something. And then I am ambassador for some product. I think there's a fine yoga is saying. Yeah, Mahuza, yeah, advert be some.
All the commercial more bit say Nana Mama Brown, Jackie Apia, Martin Common, and I say for now. What you would deserve us, I don't know. Yet, boom, will be a shot idea, no, I to say. What's what they had you been to? A dear legacy plan on like make legacy. What a tour legacy.
No, that taxes or
say party, I also.
All right, so in case you want to watch this full interview, it is once again on Summiflex TV. We've published this interview on our platform. So after watching this, you can also take time and watch it. About 44 minutes in conversation, and you would love it. He has a new song called Style BIB with Akwabwa. He performed the song in the video as well. So I'm sure you can enjoy it. Chemone IT consultant. And what they are talking about is also hinged on IT activities. Chemo and somehow can in fact any nampuna multimedia bits of it and a multimedia one or can the entire model say more Ghana ha mofa the video mofa CK video mofa oh bakubi the DM da Buju's wine Ruga ho oh kitadibia popular aha mafa fa sankofo ni na mo de ayeye sa ne mana na monyo mo hwe na mo ba bebisa mo say asanto agye video ma me say what is your budget what are we saying about this?
It's so funny say enka avena wo ye ni interview na enka mebusa ne say catcher ne say ne busa ni na o ye TikTok and ade no man ni video ni ma
na busa ni dey rain
the busa for and a friend be o ye TikTok
on share the new bia or yes and man
only friend be o ye TikTok
the numbers na nye hu to say Hajia been to na santo amone Jackie mu dem
oh my god
asem na no
oh no pede the number was low no kwa was selection of very rejected see me wa TikTok account me koka say Charlie me ya mawa obeka o free oko o be reject me na asanto ade o reject wa o how o me because me ni numbers no the all numbers ne so mpe wa o nti ase double standard life na o live no me ni say obia keke na opeso e video ni ma no o ai omo top no asanto na oboni
yeah
ahan ko nka say Ghana ni bia ye friend no na wa body bia ye nim say o ye TikTok am ko say o ni video ma mo so ni then we will have a conversation sa numbers na opeso mo ye ma no no so omo ma break it through e wo TikTok no omo timi ye video ma ne ko no opeso omo bi ye ma no in fact obobo din kra o nya mro 10 and it is obia ka say omo nye video ma omo de odimi or can they survive it they will by all means have their own way of accepting certain kind of videos that so omo and in the omo criteria ni bi ni say pay me and I'll do it for you. I also want to say now I say no mo kwa na TikTok ofiefo no wabusiafo omo nso TikTok account mo nyama
now fufu
obi no ya na adera ye ka say o ye to legacy
which legacy is living
here ka say to legacy
me ma se no
I don't know at the current ma enkofu bi dwene saa no say I think that some time ago Kwame Eugene crack
yeah Kwame Eugene Zakasa
saa nsɛmhunu ni bi
yeah
enye obia na
nsɛmhunu
yeah nsɛmhunu because Kwame Eugene na nkasa kra no enye obia na ba sɛ opese ne ye a
collaboration
be yeah enye obia no be obia no at any point in time in our life no yeah select what we think is the best And young one are all selected. And do we say there are others are almost try to get what is the best. So nipa na all selecting or not so selected based on certain things. And who are your criteria say okay, me pass Antoine name me pay Hajia Bintu. Almost say Omunyama or okay, Hajia Bintu to say or pay Kwame Eugene Shatawali. Who was on Tiasia? Who selection no this one. Oh, criteria now they pay on moon. And I make a own opus and for a TikTok. Momma was selected. I didn't know Mona over selected. I didn't know men as a way entitled to get certain favors to be our own deserve. No, who deserve one Albania? Make Kabi Bianca also a bonum and I hate in our numbers. And Casantua, okay, and I hope put it to obey. Obey your plans, over here. And it's a numbers game, and who is at the top? Society, your lifestyle be higher human beings. We don't get those things. And most of us, ain't happy with our lives, because selection be criteria be added to see the effect. Now you really feel pana you go choose say or not so what. The selection I want to answer it.
Also the preference.
Even in relationship, you see. In fact, generally, a man or more, you better say be average women. Maybe a no more for kakra, no 150, you know, one. All that standard need on pay average man. Or pay the or wash return. On pay on one level. They are also return on or not so per standard be. Who's our ban no. And so I say we do the muko no come boss 3 4 na mo bo. Oh yes let's go. The whole thing is that them na open on or options. They go new option also open. There are your option now go no be choose you like I'll be happy to stay with you. What's open? Open the also. The also is a man 30 40 airpen. And you also choose 10 also on Tiasi. You will not be happy, you will always be angry.
Very solid.
Yes. But that's how it will be. Anything so what to say, I say, I'm despite HT1 and another what to say, I say,
but I also cry and tear.
Yes. Oh, the whole point they say, I'm despite on GT or options.
Options, no penalty.
Okay.
When is selection?
I get it.
Yes, on GT or options.
Yeah.
Because or baby a man or Becca or Pelmono, and I say a man or more pen on a baby. And you know, all crowd or castle or choose you a yell them book. And the head of a catcher were cheating to a down on car.
Okay.
That's the point. And the friend Rapfather only options to choose the onion video man. No problem no. Omo static TikTok na omu numbers no on pair omo. O pass antoa. So o pass antoa ubi cheska. And yes answer so aye din udru ha ubenya no.
Thank you, Intindo de Solomon. The Chemo Beso Kandan say Rapfather. Unri, entifa akosia vendetta musa. Asafo mo de onyam, obechi benyom si da betua. E ba no ka so betima tua, na mum de obetima anza mum 2 gigs. Cause think come we be mum first can not say 1 gig na 1 gig this, so fuck crank out.
Enti no 1 gig no. The 1 gig na ya akosia vendetta mo.
No afan sa.
So many 2 gigs.
Like level bi a obia no o de wo ho but why ignore o level ne nkofo ankom be boa won.
Okay, Mate. Also position is saying thank you Chemo.
Rapfather very serious.
Oh, he's serious. What do you mean so very serious?
Very serious.
No, he's serious. He spoke out of seriousness.
Yes, because when him self-entitlement and the syndrome in my and it's about time, like not even us in the entertainment fraternity, but generally, the earlier we cite ourselves, say nobody owes us anything, the better for everybody. And that's how, if there's one thing that I have learned, improve yourself, better yourself, and it will come running.
Okay.
in a system or in a space where average people are more than extraordinary people, before you get noticed, you would have to do something extra.
I like this statement.
You would have to do something extra. So if Okasebia numbers now had they been to Mowono as Antoine, they are not robots. They were not conjured. They are people following them because they have interest in what they are doing. If he is not getting that kind of following, then it means that he is not doing something that interests those people. It is as simple as that.
But Onosi or a talented rapper.
Yes.
With all his style of rap, the flow nina Obekoni Instagram say 10,000 per January.
Yes,
now share had you been to the 800 yay.
So you do 1 million.
Had you been to 1 million?
Yes, subjective because yes, nobody is downplaying on his talent. He is one fine talented artist. Okay. But the thing is, they are who say we're talented. Obi who is out.
Okay.
And moreover, whatever product you are bringing out there, your consumers probably have so many options. So you would have to do more. You would have to do extra, especially if they won't blow ya. Even blow the crowd bono are still running promotions.
That's true.
Instagram is very popular, but we're running promotions for Facebook. Even YouTube crowd running promotions.
Yeah.
So if you are there, and you know, in this creative art fraternity, make I say, it starts as a passion. Then you gain interest, you gain following. Then people will start patronizing you. Then it gets to business.
Okay.
Transition from being a passion to business side.
Slim.
That is where most people mess our life. So Messia, you will be crying like this because at a point, some numbers now who say had you been to a shaking it took and on the all the investment with regards to data or adagia or say any sanya maniamano. So Castle Buni now say Tiaka, now they make account in Emma.
You'll not be able to pay.
You will not be able to pay.
Okay, thank you.
So when you're bumpire, say at least Yanko Pombema blowing bomb now we blow. What blows it? Oh, and Kwesi Ataka 2022 a shower season, so we are everywhere agree. Okay.
Apeja. Thank you so much, Roland Amate, well espoused, and I believe, sir, we are all picking some valid points from the submissions from my panel members. Let me move on to Derek Money. He is from enewsgh.com. Derek, Rafa said Mumwano. Temwakeka opena moda dana da babu channel. Rafa said no. And mwaka credit. And I'm say hey. Okay, yeah, share last story and Sunday company.
That's I mean. Whenever I'm dealing with artists, I look at the branding aspect of it. Yeah, because as a old banner, the moment you discover say unimnyumto, or you're talented, sa creativeness ni ba umuno. You are building a brand out of it. Had you been to nominate as Antoine ni Jacqueline no more, they've built a brand for themselves.
Okay.
And when you build a brand, now when your followers now, automatically people will patronize you. Automatically, people will patronize you. That is the need for every artist to build a solid brand. Your artists be move, but a big baby, that's a okay feature. If you be on, obi say me boy say, why? Are you know we musicians? We are. But then we say boy say, we're taking the time to build a brand for him or herself. Into all corner. Patronage now no kwa kopeno ono no be show demand no che say na me pese oye ana essence unso hwese milestone na what take it in build the brand no we gina tie na hwa unso say haja been to you 1 million of an form
da form an
ka ya fa ko ya di dada one fun easy. It taking the time. Otimi entertaining the followers. Answer no by being that followers, no. Into one sooner only in the business, no. Sit down, analyze yourself, look at the picture, a very clear picture of it. Never only panel time awaiting you take it specifically that body brand, no. Into no can we say okwa on fan choice akeke. Yeah. Naka unyane formwa anka fana is for ebe fana edinaye ad. Brand bia eba omo associate omo with people who have numbers. So they can enter into the space, penetrate. Now, all yes, no, and also the baby space number every brand, no. Yeah. So always say had you been to the new barco, a TikToker, it might possibly be a breakout for him because amount for all followers. Now had you been to a new or they a TikTok, when you people will start researching. Then you are getting automatically the numbers. Remember, we are doing showbiz. Automatically, we are getting the numbers. Automatically, people will be hearing you. Amount for best start at one can. Into obedience to Boisier, abandon the brand irrespective of say of a negative way or say a talker can also of a negative way, positive way, and not the burden the brand. Branding or burden a solid. When that also the talk one was on the talk of a positive way, negative way. The followers know when you to was and what burden that brand. I like to talk about branding. Yeah, because we say Rafa say the branding, I will say Utinian to was not such a branding.
Nasiano Jai Dross.
Personally, no, or no good branding so. And if you are an artist or a creative person and you have problems or you can't manage your own brander, that's me and I can do manage. Oh, I'm telling you honestly. You manage your own brander. What are you going to present to the people, your followers, and then I'll present it to them? What I say, because as my branding is very attractive to the people who are following you. Now, so branding is attractive. What mean by the brand man is attractive? What are you presenting to the people who are following you? That's only you. And you can do money kajai. Okay. Because we are creatives. Yeah. And the baby a baby piano, or creativeness, the baby who said this is a brand. Creativity, yeah. And the baby who said this is a brand. Because brand in there always meet me trust me say brand in there you it be far, yeah. Sana, brand name bomb. Yeah, it's creativeness, you know. And the back. Okay, Rapia. Creativeness, and the back pick you out of the people, out of all the brands. Into xenophobia, take it time out of nothing. No matter your burden, brander. Oh, come on, whatever they say is whatever you have to do. Exactly. Say open. That is what you have to go about. And again, them so or say almost a man for nyom and the way we are doing music. And at times music be on more. Being can't yourself akoye. Automatically inspire. Into onye nyom be inspire man for. Onye nyom be motivate a man for. Onye nyom e be man for afili. A man is automatically no. I understand say enye
but new song na man for Befili.
Until your man for Befilia, then you are becoming that creative person you are looking at.
Father will blow.
Father blow no. You are looking at that creative person. Oh yeah no. Because and no say inspire them, motivating, entertaining automatically. Nobody will pass by that song. Or the better TikTok simple. No the TikTok is so the blue. Into your corner more charging on to
that this can grow nibi.
I know
if I was very emphatic on that, say it is not as if say charging or charging any problem in Kwon, but the money to pay the crowd, he doesn't have it.
On level.
The level in the way.
It's
aiming high. What are you talking about?
That's high. They are so perfect.
So perfect. They are promoters at his level.
Yeah, sure.
Go on and 200, 500. You.
So also person or blue fast.
Thank you, Roland Amate. Thank you to Derek Money. Thank you to Intindo de Solomon. But the Okasari is here, Derek Money, E-News GH. Now let's look at our very last story. Kwame Eugene and Kiddy, they are set to play a major event in London. That is the O2 Indigo. Now, Mibisase. It is time for us to also show the world that yes, we did. It is time for the world to know that yes, Ghanaians can also feel the O2 arena. Na yeko O2 Indigo no. Is it the responsibility of the whole Ghanaian industry, entertainment industry, to rally behind these guys to do this show? And I said we are leaving it to them because it's their show. When they make profit, they eat alone. They don't eat with anybody. In fact, that's my simple question. Now, we'll be out for 3 minutes. Then we wrap up of the show today. We have been crying. Wizkid Koyeye, Yesunye. Burna Boy Koyeye, Yesunye. Now, our own boys are going to do it. And these are some young, talented boys. They have not been in the industry for a longer time, but they've proven that they have what it takes to do it. Indigo O2. Pachamu capacity no na me say ya here. Say be 800 there na enye hu sa say ombetimi ayen so na enye hu sa. Enti Indigo 2800. Okay, that is 2000. Today rounded up close to 3000 now. Yeah, say. So I'm asking that, is this show particular show? Is this
the biggest?
Yeah, Arena is the biggest, 20,000. That one I know. Is this particular show our responsibility? Say Dole, say why radio, we have to support it to let them blow this show and also challenge their profits. Now, Roland Amate like this story by, and I'm saying, hey, Ro, story me on some kapang. Everyone wants this story about because you see this production, I'm going to Munkasari. Kasari are messing. Maybe Kasari are messing. Ro, you are into events, so we are asking that, is it a responsibility of the industry to make this show big, or it is their show? Like everyone said, Roland Report, will show Lazarus Beach. I will be a show say you promote to show. Also, yeah, they promote to show the course no. The only on one of that show but no. Sani yehu and nothing when is that this is a general Ghana show. Omuye here Ghana for say yebi.
That's I mean, ne omuye here I new nyam shene beba Ghana ne mum scan yebi. So say a penunyam there, then it is our responsibility to rally behind these guys. Because whatever they do out there, they represent us in a way. So Omokobo show no here found. The moment they are offshores, there even some about her crap white is still in the name of Ghana. And in that period where there's been so much conversation, who said the last time I made on this platform, I said, yes, we are accusing other countries of not supporting us, not giving us whatever. And they also brought some counter arguments. Yeah, say yes, we are taking note. We know say they also have a point, and there are things that we are not also doing right. Me and Kabiyema and support near the mass somebody like Sarkodie during lockdown, or they born a Black Love concert, virtual concert. That should be the same support we should give these guys. Because check from Umale, Wine, Burna Boy, Wizkid. You see, all these people have come so. All these people have camps, just like we also have camps in our entertainment circles here. But then, when it comes to national agenda, Yema agenda here to say quiet, like a forest. Obia will be a CEO. But when we want to create that picture to the world now, let's make it look say we are united. And how do we make that unity? It is just by rallying behind these guys. Yes, probably you cannot. It will not take anything away from you by retweeting, by posting, by commenting, by sharing. Exactly.
Yes. Name them visa to meet me akwaba.
It is a visa who ticket.
Can be discussing the CA now. Yes, support me. Support of them. So, mommy ticket in common.
You see, it will not take anything away. It will not take anything away from anybody by retweeting, by posting, or by sharing. But 50% of the workload also depends on them. Okay. Because you bet me am moral support all we can. But a wejuma. What da you better? Oh sorry, you be sorry. That's how it works. Okay. I believe say ka Westgate Bobena boy mo die say oh me show to me that I am expecting Nigerians said simply because I am a Nigerian so they should support me or they should do something for me. And can the omo choose no more selling and commercial. No. Westgate was promoting his concert. Burna Boy was promoting his concert. They were seeing people they were supposed to see. Among 4 main men here. Among 4 main men here before the show became a success. And they say, you almost say, posting, retweeting, sharing, commenting. Even me you. But majority of the workload, like 50%, also depends on them. They would have to pull their plugs right. But there was some present. And I trust the Lens guys to do it. Because when we are talking about some of the organizations that have huge plugs in the entertainment circles, so I don't expect them to flop this show at all.
Okay, so Roland Amaje thinks this should be a national agenda. We should all come in one accord to support this show. Anyways, if you want to sponsor my ticket for 6 March to come witness this show, please, I'm available. You can always call the number on the screen. Sammy Flex, London, 6 March. How many weeks do you want to spend? Just 2. I'll buy a ticket for you. Come, let's go for the show, please. I'm available. Derek Money, let's go for this one. Also, who is saying? Say what visa?
Me what visa?
Oh, passport, you need visa.
Passport. Oh, because we went back to tickets too.
Now let me see what visa. How they say?
Okay. Alright, yeah, go ahead. I tell them you want to be community. Okay,
because I'm say it's about time we support our own. Lots way, you know. I think they are doing magic in the music industry.
Okay.
No doubt about that. Of course, these are guys are energy no so, and then their performance are stage
yeah.
But we have to ask ourselves this question: support no the Grasami me role editor group no ma post you. Yeah. I post. Support no the. Yeah, the bema I'm a man for what by plugs, you know, you can and okay, ain't mean could be you. And then Ghana for best support you, but any Ghana phones in ever go to ho. Into plugs, you know, and there's so much check baby a plugs in the one. No more, no more, baby, I am mere person when me play. Baby, I am mere plane that's slow motion, no speed, you know. Because support needed, to be honest with you, these guys have enjoyed support from Ghanaians. When they sit in the studios of Links, they can attest to the fact that Ghanaians have really supported Kwame Eugene and then Kiddy's talent. And every Ghanaian to know, and even the word attest to the fact. Yeah, support, you know, we know, you bet me a pushy, ama omanya numbers, no. But yenya ye wahane ye push na be push na ye publicity na ye be publicize se na ye be kwachire. Enti yenya ye no mo nso ma sede e se mo ye no, that is one very key I say tom tirim. Ghanaians will support you, but how are you supporting yourself? Because we have the lives of Nigerians be bra ometimi afele wo too. Which at the nunyam bre on my Nigeria no. It put Nigeria on the map. It's about time we no so ya de nunyam bebre yen. Na okwan be no befa so aya de nunyam ne bebre yen. Yen nyina we rally around behind them to push forward. But Lens in soon who said a international concert. This is not a local based concert, international concert. Into the plot na one international no. O million. No so ye. Because at the end of the day no say a cool year. Sika do meje and make my post healing. Okay. But a cool year it will benefit them. And you nyam the ebeje. But meta beneficiary na kakra na beba no omo ne komo. Yen the cheche ne eje nyam. And I was said you're really behind them, and Ghanaians are giving them the maximum support. So I'm feeling no more Ghana and so because Banner Boy and Whiskey no more feeling no. Even though we are Nigerians, but we felt proud as an African.
Yeah, we're all happy.
Oh yeah, Africa be no say no. We are all happy.
That's true.
Enti ekobane sana enunyam ni nyina na yajibi. Enti omumi niamam na omumfa niama entutu ye. This is a show I was wondering enti this Christmas me hwe ya ni new year na mehu say omun sheda en headline show bia. Ehona mehu say omo person ko bo show no. Because Oman headline.
Yeah, sure, Oman headline. Sunday Ghana.
Headline his Heroes concert. Plus 2.
Oh, this is a minor concert.
This is a minor concert.
Yeah.
And then we say Kojan to the no so that so.
Yeah. Heroes
yeah. One man said that.
Every grade new 200. Yeah.
One man said that headline. I was thinking.
No, I'm not sure it was because Ombekobo showed no headline because these are on different soils.
Yes.
We were Ghana. You need about 6 hours to get to London. And I'm not sure say no company problem.
And that's 2,800 capacity. Ehun kakra.
2,800.
Yeah, ehun kakra.
And yet 20,000.
And 2,800.
And yet 28,000 account.
2,800.
Oh, now girls, TikTok girls, TikTok girls, they don't answer London. And Europe for no for train bear 40 euros, ne 45 euros, room.
And Nintina, I was say only promoters, no more procs, never honey, Cassaye, Jumani, you know. And Nintina, so more near my you.
But for information, shut up, Felida.
What Felida?
Yeah.
And Oyisu blocks.
Yeah.
Oyisu blocks and son of Philly. Or no, back catch so he should not back catch say, hey, my friend, easy.
Yeah.
One friend easy. But some numbers now, Canada. We are here talking about the numbers because we are living in our comfortable zone in our own country. Okay. But Ubu one more, when you look around, maybe I'm not being.
Okay, thank you, Derek Money. And also, I'm a good advice, pan. After Chemo, Ebeka-san, I have some points to put out on this show. I have some 1 or 2 information to share on this show, but I'm still looking for a sponsor for a ticket. The number is on the screen. Just send me a message. Oh, Sammy. Send me your details. Let me buy a ticket in advance. Better. Alright, Chemo. I have found it. Let me listen to you as well.
Yeah, I think maybe I almost may support your own crowd. You need what kind of support I will here. And you know, be or be supported, be able supported in their own capacities. I think this is what they need. Derek can say or post it. To Derek, the support
none of why.
But almost and no here. Yes, I don't know. Did one have it almost now Roland said 50%, made the makers about 90%. Almost. And after all, say a successful now when it's or my
money bid.
And then be an as woman that don't push him more. No more forget to be a more percent or support a business.
Yeah.
So we have specific functions now between pay for people to do it for you. Now, or more best supported, they don't need anything. Or whatever they think is right. It will be beer general. When do I need to support us all? We are in life, yes. You would now be at the church because I would let me give it to him or independence. I give it 2,000 capacity there. Say, man post to crime, I think they will feel it.
Okay.
It's a kid in your man. Touch it. Say they see break here. I think a bigger impact on you. And just say, if you are almost road there. Kabeka almost go for the ultimate
Gandarina. It's a Gandarina.
20,000.
But
it's a crime of fattening a kid. Have they announced any supporting artists?
No, so far.
Okay.
Yes. So for the O2 Indigo 2,800. Very easy for
so answer my question for me. Is this a national agenda or a links agenda?
A links agenda maybe support from people who think that they need or deserve the support. Would national agenda like what do you want us to do? That would be the question. Say national agenda and you post and after you take it and show. And on a bachelor and say who try take it and show almost promoters any whoever is marketing it a name of can convince people and the bachelor. You can go and say this is the national agenda, so buy the tickets. If that person is very convinced, they are better. And who use the name national agenda to market the product, so that is it. But I say national agenda and change now, supporting the same. To take it, and I create GoFundMe. Now you this car and find to take it, man for what is it like? Or being fat plan Bimla. Say okay, this is national agenda. I want us to do it like this. Not I specific, but you have count in general. Say a national agenda support it. Support it. Maybe I me. I think they support that they need. They say maintenance and Plus TV platforms. So no matter say Kwame Eugene Kidi Kobo show 6 March. So go Indigo. So go there. Maybe. But is that what they need? And the more money they owe here, and as all man can the kind of support now here. They should mention it. All money is so clear to people. More won't go in now say a failure, I must say, or more support it. And as a more can support now more penny back. Now be beyond for her. No your argument. Yes, I did not. James are there. Yes, so the way I read things okay for us to do. Yes,
like that. Okay, so thank you, Intimdo Solomon. Thank you, Derek Money, as well as Roland Amate. Let me say this. Now, Roland is story about Roland, you see this program. It is a very good program, and like you said, it should be a national agenda indeed. If you are supporting our own small ways for this show to be successful, Ghana will be in the books of successful events ever held in the UK. But there's a question mark. Question mark in the sense that these are Ghanaians flying from Ghana to go play a show in London. But ask yourself this big question: who are those promoting it in London? To shock you to know that those who are promoting it in London, they are not Ghanaians. And this I'm reliably informed. They know the top Ghanaian promoters in London for this show. They know them, but unfortunately, they overlooked them and they went to someone they think had done a successful show.
Hello to Alodia.
Alodia ni Mushi. I'm saying what I have heard. Ghana 4 promoters were Anya ye Akwaba UK Dennis, your Alodia promotion, your West Coast, your Big Nash Moon Nasifo. If you put them together, because this show, no matter what you do,
Ghanaian show.
This show, no matter what your fans, 90% should be Ghanaians. Because I are independents. And over the years, Alodia they be playing shows every independent. Unfortunately, this time our Ghanaian brothers are flying to go play an independent show. But unfortunately, ask yourself, who is promoting it? Rebecca said, you are xenophobic. When our Ghanaian brothers are there, give them the gig to people. No, because you think that Westgate dear man, Obia, Benaboy, dear man, my family and command. Anyway, some see you many guys, okay, you did not bring it to me. You say you will do your thing, Oga, do your thing at Flopia. Why? Because Ghanaians did not support our own. But we wish them well. Personally, I'm coming to see the show. So guys, get a ticket, please. I'm pleading. Hey, ask me the commandership. I'm pleading, please. If you can support Sammy Flex. This is some GoFundMe agenda. Support Sammy Flex for Ghana in London. Indigo, Kwame Eugene and Kidi. They never support it, but Minyaya. They should go back to the drawing board once again and involve the Ghanaian promoters. The Bima Minibi and the Uniado. For all you know, these Ghanaian promoters have an already made market because they've been doing shows for more than 2 decades. So many years. Don't you think that all this I can't with my show? This show is not for Nigerians. This show is for Ghanaians. So use the right line and get your numbers. Else you'll be gnashing your teeth one day. Thank you, Chamu. Thank you, Derek Money. Thank you to Roland Amate as well. And thanks to the production team, the guitar Rasta, Currency, Richie Flex, Yala PG, Tina Baby, Gideon Nilam Tessin. And thank you for watching as well. And thanks someone for buying the ticket in advance. Until then, we'll meet in London on 6th March. We are out of here.
Instagram sensations be, Instagram models be. Now she following more talent. Munya following media. And how? And then now patch saying.
Also, I don't know why I teach.